Let's get started, guys, and as usual, I will leave all the ingredients in the description box down below. You're gonna get started by adding a generous amount of oil into your pot, and immediately going to add your onions and saute. You want them to sweat on moderate heat. We're not looking to brown them in any way, we just want to release the sweetness, just slow cooking on low heat. You're gonna go ahead and add your garlic and ginger and your bay leaf. Then you're gonna add your curry paste and saute that for about 3 to 5 minutes. And then you're going to go ahead and add your chicken stock cube. If you are using liquid chicken broth, then you don't have to use the stock cube, so you can decide whether you want to use the stock cube or liquid broth. In this instance, I use the stock, which I'm gonna add water, right? Then for the spices, I use the garam masala and some curry powder. So obviously, as you can see, I was going for curry mellow flavors, and I added some ginger powder in there, which is also kind of optional because you already have fresh ginger in there, but I do love it. You're also gonna add some fennel seeds and continue to saute that for another 3 to 5 minutes. Remember, moderate heat. So for this soup, I used the lentil soup mix. It's the Imbo brand. You can use any other brand that you can find because there's many out there. I used about a cup. I don't really have measurements for this, honey. You just have to be generous with your seasonings. It's vegetables, honey. You want that seasoning, okay? And the lentils can tend to be bland, so you want to put as much seasoning as you can, and obviously you're going to taste along the way. You're gonna go ahead and add them in there, mix them in there, and add a little bit of salt. Going to add warm water and bring that to a simmer, and then we're gonna cover to cook for about 20 to 35 minutes, depending on how well done you want your lentils to be. Okay, honey, so you're going to place that on moderate heat. Just remember, moderate heat, okay? We just want to be gentle with everything. Then after this is about after 25 minutes, it's almost ready. At this point, the lentils and everything is cooked and soft to my liking, and I'm going to go ahead and add some ground cumin, some ground coriander, and a whole lot of salted butter. You can decide whether you want to use salted or unsalted butter, but I love having some salted butter. I just add it to absolutely everything, okay? So I'm just gonna add it in there, and you're going to mix everything through, and we're gonna let it continue to cook for a further 10 minutes. Then once everything is done, you're gonna go ahead and finish off by adding your mixed beans. This is the 4 bean mix, which has the red kidney beans, some butter beans, some baked beans, and other beans. So it's just the 4 bean mix that I just discarded a little bit of the brine in there and just added in there, and some fresh coriander, honey. Then to finish off, I'm going to add some fresh heavy cream, okay? This step is absolutely optional, but I love it. It just gives it that creamy taste, creamy texture. It just seals everything together. You can decide to add it or not, honey. It's still going to bang, and you're going to go ahead and plate and enjoy this winter, honey. I hope you try it. Please let me know how it goes. Please like the video, show me some love in the comments, and I'll see you on the next one.